Hello everyone, welcome to TeknoDestek channel. Today I will try to help you how you can change your settings on Keenetic Hero DSL AC1300 modem. First, you have to know this modem is working with ADSL and VDSL connection. First, you have to know that you can change your settings on web page. To change your settings, you have to connect your modem to your computer or phone. If you want to connect your phone, you have to do it with Wi-Fi. If you want to connect your modem to your computer, you can do this with Wi-Fi or with connection cable, with Ethernet cable. After you connect your modem to your phone or computer, you have to open a new page. And in this new page, at the address, you have to type 192.168.1.1. After you got this website, you will get, if it's first time you are coming to in this page, you will just see this page because there is no account name or password. You will get this page. After you come on this page, you will see some options like that. You have to click on DSL. You have to choose this one. After you choose on DSL, you have to click on ileri. Ileri is mean next. You have to click on next button. Then you will get this page. On this page, you have to choose your country, like Turkey in here. And here is kullanıcı adı and şifre. Kullanıcı adı mean is your username. Şifre is mean your password. You can get your account, your username, your username and password from your internet service. After you get your username and password, you have to type it in here. Kullanıcı adı, like I said, it's your username. You have to type your username. And şifre is mean password. You have to type your password in here. And then click on the next or OK button. After you click this, your internet will start to work. And then everything will be okay, so you will get your connection. If you have any problem or any question, you can call 11858 call center. If you call this number, if you have any problem, like I said, you will get answers and they will help you with your problems. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like it. Have a good day. Bye.